it's ready.
Hurry up! Give him some!
We can make bread!
You thinking what I'm thinking?
I am.
Just say it.
The body of a chicken. The tail of a snake. With spurs sharp as knives and loaded with venom. Basilisk, the king of snakes!
All right, a basilisk. Isn't that great, Marcel? You'll get to eat chicken meat.
Is it though? Can you call it a chicken when it's half chicken?
Man, what a cool concept. I always loved monsters that were a mix of more than one species. Something about mashing two species together elevates the appeal of each one. The basilisk makes you appreciate the things about a plain old chicken that make it special. A simple combo, but it really makes you think. By the way, here's a fact about the cockatrice and basilisk. Same family, different species. It's been my dream to do a taste test between the two.
You got some weird dreams.
That escape technique, she's just asking to be kicked in the back.
Would you just hurry up and save her?
Spread your arms and legs out wide to look huge, then do a crazy yell to sound threatening. It'll freak the thing out and keep it back.
How about we pretend we don't know him?
The basilisk has another head on its tail, so it seems like it has no blind spots, but it's still one body. So if you attack both heads at the same time, you'll split its attention in two directions, confusing the whole body. How is he? Did he get poisoned?
Yes. Laios! Senshi says he has an antidote.
Let's have it then.
Actually, I was planning to use it for lunch today.
He's dying! Can't you see that?
Yeah, well, it's better to take one of these antidotes if it's cooked into something.
Then hurry up and cook something!
First, you gotta chop off the tail and feet. Parboil it for a sec, then pluck the feathers.
Whoa! Looks like normal chicken.
Next, you gotta pull out the guts and rub in some spices. Chop some vegetables up and cram them in with your medicinal herbs. Then tie up the cut. Last, jam a stick through the sucker and give it a good slow roasting. ready.
Hurry up! Give him some!